Okay, let's start with his eyes. It's going to do 2 circles. So let's go in there and do 1 right eye and 1 on the left there. Now we're going to draw his smile. So little mouth there, smiley mouth, semicircle, line, and then down and around. That's great, looking good already. Okay, let's do the top of his head. The top of his banana area sort of goes from the top, sort of stay about there. Let's just do a line down to his eye. Okay, that's great. Then let's have a think, what do we do next? Let's do the very tip of his head. There's a little area like that. We're going to do 2 lines just down to about here. So 1, 2. Okay, great. Now we're just going to draw down his body around here. So we're just going to take the pen, go down from the eye, just go around, down, around like that. And we're just going to work up from maybe where his shoulder's going to be up to about here. Let's just move up there. Okay, great. Now it's got a little peel area of his head. So I'm just going to do a little bit like that and up. Take it up from here as well. Go around, down. Little line around there. And let's go move around, curve and down here. And we can just join these bits up here. There we go, all links up. It's got another little peely area here. So we're just going to do a little curve, 1 there, and another 1 there. Let's just join that up. Just do another little line in there. Okay, great. That's cool. Let's have a think. Just going to do an arm. So his shoulder's going to start here. Just going to draw a little curve like that, at the top of his arm. Okay, great. Let's just do a line down here at the top of his arm. And then we're just going to do a shoulder down to his elbow here. A shoulder down to his elbow. And we're going to draw his forearm down to about here and a hand about there. So just do his forearm curve and down. And just move to about there. Just move up and around. Okay. And we can just put a hand in. So do a little curve and a line for his thumb. And we're just going to draw another line down there. Just show some fingers going on. Okay, that's cool. What we can do now is the rest of his banana body, which goes down to about here. So we'll make a little mark there. Just draw a curve up to the underarm on this side here. There we go, that's cool. Right, nice one. Next we could do this little hand there. So we'll draw his arm, do a shoulder, line up around here, little circular area there. Just draw the top of his arm just down there. Now his elbow is going to be about, let's do a little mark about there. So if we know that, we can just line that up to his underarm there. Now I can draw his forearm. So that probably wants to come down from here up to about there. And then do the other side just from the inner part of his arm there. Just draw that up. Okay, let's have him doing a little wave. So we want the thumb to come out here. Draw a little thumb there. Great, okay. And then just draw a curve up here. We just sort of show some fingers off, like that, and then just join it all up. Put the palm of his hand in if we want as well. Put palm there, line there. Just do a couple of lines there for his fingers. Excellent, all right, that's really good. Okay, let's move on to the right leg here. So it's almost like a bit of a suit he's got there. So I'm just going to do a little curve there, join up, banana area there. Let's join up here. Now we've got the top of his leg. So we can draw his leg coming down here to a knee. And then from here we can just draw a line up here. All right, nice one. Now we're going to do the bottom of his leg to about here. So let's have a look. And just do a line down here. And a line down from this side down to there. And he kind of wears like boots, so we're just going to do quite a basic foot. Like that. Cool. All right, one more leg to go. Let's do the leg here. Same sort of thing. Let's move down from about there. And then up to about here. Just draw a line up there. Great, drawing a little knee in. And again, we're just going to do the back of his lower leg here. And then probably from about there, we can just work upwards. Okay, just join that up. And then again, we'll draw little boots there, so quite a basic foot shape underneath there. Okay, great. Now we can just put a bit of detail on his knees like that. Oh, that's cool. Just going to draw him in the Winterfest Lodge, so I'm going to have the wall here. Maybe some sort of wooden struts coming up there. All right, cool, that's good. So, just a couple of bits of detail now we've got to do. Let's just draw, there's a line down here that goes like around down here. So I'm just going to go from the top here. Let's just get that banana shape in there. Maybe just down from his mouth as well with a bit of a curve, so I can go down like that. Now this version of Peely's all frozen, it's got sort of a few little marks on his body. So a few little, almost like little banana scars going on. So just from the arm up here, let's just draw a little scar in like that. Just a few jaggedy lines. Same thing goes up around here, I think. So just a few little jaggedy lines going on like that. Then I think he's got sort of a couple of other little bits going on as well. So just going to do a couple of lines just to show he's sort of a bit chipped and a bit icy. Maybe a couple of here as well. Okay, that's cool. Right, I think that's a line work for our Polar Peely done. Let's get a darker blue colour. And as usual, let's think about some light coming over on this side here. So, let's start colouring him in. He's got a darker area along down here, so, and underneath here as well. So I'm just going to put some darker parts in here. And up here, all the ice colours, just down to there. It's got a lot of refraction and reflection going on as well. All the light hitting his frozen body. So I'm going to make a point of that going on too. Just down along here. Yeah, colour in this big area here. Okay, that's great. Okay, just on the top here, he's got just a bit going on there. Lots of sort of snowy bits going on at the top. This part here is quite dark. Let's pop that in. And then maybe just along here as well, work our way down along his body. Let's go to the edge, that's cool. Colour that in, just leave that area where the scar is. Show a bit of reflection. Great. And then he's got kind of snow on his shoulders and his arm here, so we're going to leave those areas white. Just going to work in the darker areas where it may be a bit more shaded. Around there. Following the curve of his arm. All little white patches on his hands as well. So let's leave those. Just work around there. Maybe just a bit more in here as well. Maybe just a bit at the top. There we go. And then his arm here, let's do the darker parts just on this side. Underneath. Maybe keep his elbow free, bit of snow on there. And we'll colour his hand in as well. Great, let's have a look at the legs. Again, he's on his knees, he's got white. On his feet, he's got some white going on, so just colour in the darker blue around here. And on his legs as well, and his feet. And then this side, let's colour in this area here on the right hand side. Down here. And a bit on the foot as well. And I'm just going to do a chilly background with the same colour. Nice one. Right, let's get a lighter blue. Just add those lighter touches now. So a few little lighter areas around here. Or just showing that iciness. around Peely, making it look pretty chilly. Just going to add that in where I feel it needs it. Let's just work it around here. Maybe just up here. Maybe quite a bit on this side. Let's have a look. Let's work it in here. And let's do the tip of his fingers up here. Just around his arm. Just a little bit there. Maybe a little bit more here. Just on this side too now, just around that scarred area. And this one too. Let's just do some little bits here. Saying hello, but he's a bit chilly. Alright, nice one. Alright, and that is Polar Peely. I think he's completed. Polar Peely from Fortnite. Thanks for watching, everyone.